Welcome back, guys. Where are we? So we've made it to our first new destination of the year. One of the things on my bucket list of goals, or like things we want to do for this year, was go to new places, at least 2. And since the baby's coming in about 5 months, we decided to, actually we booked this trip before I even knew I was pregnant. So we are actually in Portland this weekend. Fortunately, it's a nice sunny day right now. We'll see what the rest of the weekend's gonna look like. It's pretty chilly here compared to home. But we're staying here at the Embassy Suites in downtown Portland. Chose this spot, not just because I'm a Hilton Honors member, but because it said it was like one of the kid-friendly hotels, and it already, like the girls in that door back there, they're already making themselves right at home. So let me just give you guys a quick room tour, and I can show you what those girls are doing back there. So if you haven't stayed at an Embassy Suites before, all the rooms are like suites. So you got a living room and a room, or a living room and like 2 bedrooms. They don't have kitchens, but there is like a bar area where you can like a mini fridge, microwave, all those things. So I'm in the living room right now. Hold on. So when you walk in, let me back it up. Beep, 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 beep. When you walk in and you have the living room, table, TV up, and there's the bar. Leah said it's, what is it?
Watching time.
Oh, it's watching time. We've been traveling all afternoon, all morning. Here's the very nice bathroom. Nice and clean. And look at these girls destroying our bedroom already. So Zay and Leah, where are you sleeping? Which bed did you claim? This bed over here. So we have 2 queen beds, and these girls are already making themselves comfortable. She wants to show you guys where she got comfortable. Let me see.
My toilet.
Okay, so I let them bring some toys. What else? And their books. So she already unpacked. Is your luggage empty? Let's see. I let her bring her little frozen luggage, and it's empty other than snacks. All right, we've hit the jackpot. Totally kid-friendly hotel, and you know why? Because their TV has the Disney Junior channel. What are we watching, guys? See Leah's face right now, guys? That's the face. Isaiah. That's the face of someone who did not take even a 20-minute nap on the airplane. What's wrong, Leah?
Where are we? Are we in Portland?
I'm hungry.
Oh, now she's hungry. Like 2 minutes ago, not even. She was like, I can show you a picture or a video. She was like, about to drift off. But, oh, it's right here. It's this corner. Right now we're headed to dinner. We're going to this place called Cartopia. And it's like a bunch of carts. Ooh, and they have exactly what I saw online. They have like a fire pit, and they have different carts. I told Tay there might be dogs there, so maybe we'll see some dogs. We'll see. We'll show you guys in a little bit.
Alright, so we're finally here at Cartopia. We have pizza from Pyro Pizza. We have some, just regular fries here from Potato Champion. And we have chicken and guns back here, salad with some chimichurri chicken. It looks amazing. Let me see. You can focus. There you go. It looks amazing.
The chicken smells really good.
Yeah. How is it? Let us know. Really good? Okay, I need to put this down. It's my turn. Alright guys, so we are now at 50 Lakes here in Portland, and Zoran actually wanted to check out Salt and Straw because, they're from here. They originated from here, but, I can get it in the city in San Francisco and in Anaheim too, which we go to Disneyland all the time. And you're having strawberry? How's your strawberry? Is it yummy? Ooh, that's her face. It's like, it's good, huh? It's good. Look at those eyebrows. Okay, so the flavors here, you know, they have unique flavors and names for their flavors. So their chocolate and their vanilla are vanilla AF and chocolate AF. And Mom got the chocolate AF, and I got the mango sticky rice ice cream, and the girls got strawberry ice cream. Let me go ahead and show you the name of the what flavors they got. So some of the flavors, unique flavors they have here is the chocolate AF, the vanilla AF, as I mentioned earlier, up here. And then it was funny, this older guy came in and was like, what does AF mean? And we're like, as fuck. But it was funny. So we have Hood strawberry, water app coffee, toasted milk horchata, lavender salted caramel, blackberry, soy sauce caramel. I did try up here. That was interesting, very interesting. The Portland fog, chili mango. This is what I had. Golden milk, coconut lemon, saffron, and the choke cocoa mel is really good. Like all these. Ooh. So all these are all really unique flavors. They're not like, they're unique. They're not like, you know, over the top, kind of like Salted Straw is, but you know, to each their own. This is what I think. But definitely we are gonna go to the store now and pick up some stuff for the hotel. So we're at New Seasons Market here, and I actually didn't know the name of the store because the name of the store isn't like in front of the store.
Yes,
so I didn't see it. I'm gonna show you guys what I saw, but I had to ask somebody. Ooh, the good.
Good. We're not even in Hawaii.
I know.
I don't even
Passion
know how to find this
orange
at home.
guava, and gotta have my LaCroix.
Big milk.
Right.
Still fit in the
Yeah.
fridge. Did you see?
I didn't see.
It's like a regular size mini fridge.
We'll make it fit. Problems with parents.
I know.
But to get these girls entertained, look at them. You guys like your car?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah?
Yeah,
All right.
yeah, we got to. You know what, guys? We have two little baby wheels. See, right there, two little driver things. See right there.
Okay, they see your steering wheel.
Bunk.
Okay,
Bunk.
that's close. Oh my gosh.
These are the wheels. These are the wheels.
Like seriously, I let you go for 1 second. This is where I find you. But honestly, this place reminds me back home of what's Whole Foods. Yeah, but I'm just saying, like, this supermarket reminds me of Whole Foods. They have like a whole station, a little area to get olives. And if you guys know me, I love olives, but
I found another good. It's from a place called Tres Lecheria.
Lecheria.
I'm American. Lecheria.
Lecheria.
Cookies. Oh, lecheria? What did I say?
Lecheria.
I don't know. I sound the same to me.
Cookies and cream. That looks amazing. Let's see, Zay. Oh, there you go. You too, Leah? Look at that. You look like Daddy. Oh, that's perfect. So we are at the checkout stand, and our cashier is passing out some mustache stickers.
My matches my hair. It's curly.
Oh, there you go.
Do I look nice?
Mama.
Do I look nice, guys?
Ooh, what's wrong? You like your mustache? It's growing out thick.
My nose.
On your nose.
Oh. So shout out to our cashier, Danny. Thank you so much for these mustaches. And so this is what I was talking about earlier. I don't see, you know, a sign right here, but Zoran just pointed to me all the way at the end in the green. All the way over there is where the sign is. So I guess there is a sign. Alright guys, we are back at the hotel. Zoran's over here not wanting to be in camera. Oh, look at this. What's this? What's this belly over here? We'll show you her belly tomorrow, but the baby's getting big. But yeah, the baby is the size of a cucumber. So it, like, tomorrow you'll see Zara's belly is like so much bigger than what was the last vlog that we showed her belly, which was the last vlog at
He thinks it's so
16 weeks. I don't know. I think right now we're at 18 weeks, right?
We're gonna be 19 tomorrow.
Okay, 19 weeks tomorrow. But yeah, so one of my objectives in this vlog while we're here, or not in this vlog, but on this trip, is to find out, you know the term "keep Portland weird." Like, what do they mean by that? Like, really? Like our cashier at the grocery store, she pointed out, like, she could tell that we're from California just because we had, an aura of being probably nice. Yeah, she had a feeling that we were from California, so we give off that California feel. So yeah, so far I would say that probably, there's definitely lots of art, interesting art on the buildings as well. I'll put some photos here, but I'm still gonna, keep an eye out for that weirdness. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. So if you guys enjoyed the vlog, please drop us a huge like, subscribe if you guys are new, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.